the most powerful medicines on earth aren't locked away in hospitals or hidden behind prescription counters, but growing quietly in the soil, ignored by most people walking past them every single day. I'm talking about plants so effective that ancient civilizations protected them like treasures. Plants that modern researchers are now scrambling to rediscover because they work so fast, the results seem almost impossible. And here's what breaks my heart. Some of these healing wonders are disappearing. Not because they don't work anymore, but because so few people know how valuable they truly are. Welcome to Nature's Healing Corner. I'm Cheryl, your host, where we uncover the plants, remedies, and natural secrets that big pharmaceuticals don't want you talking about. And today I'm going to reveal 10 medicinal plants that could change everything you thought you knew about natural healing. If you're passionate about plant medicine like I am, growing your own natural remedies and taking back control of your health naturally, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's dive right into this video now. Plant number 1 is Moringa. They call it the miracle tree. But after you hear what it does, you'll understand why that name isn't hype. It's actually the truth. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants ever discovered. We're talking vitamins A, C, and E packed into every leaf, essential minerals like calcium and iron, and powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation at the cellular level. But here's what makes Moringa truly remarkable. It strengthens your immune system. It improves digestion. It helps regulate blood sugar and supports heart health, all from one plant. And growing it, that's what I call effortless. Moringa grows rapidly, even in poor soil. It thrives in hot climates with minimal water. You can harvest the leaves multiple times a year without hurting the actual tree. This is sustainable healing at its finest. Around 80% of the global population relies on traditional herbal medicine as their primary healthcare, and Moringa is leading that revolution. You can use it as fresh leaves, dried powder, teas, or capsules. For anyone serious about medicinal gardening, Moringa isn't just a plant, it's an investment in long-term health. You should consider growing it for easy access. Now, for plant number 2, which is ginseng, the energy restorer, that's what I call it. Ginseng has been revered for centuries as one of the most powerful medicinal roots in human history. And there's a reason why. It actually works. Ginseng helps your body adapt to stress. In a world filled with exhaustion, mental fog, and chronic fatigue, that's not just helpful, it's life-changing. It supports your immune system, it improves circulation, it sharpens your brain performance, and fights that bone-deep tiredness that no amount of coffee can fix. Now, here's the catch. It's patience. Ginseng takes several years to mature. The longer it grows, the more powerful and valuable the root becomes. This slow growth is exactly why true ginseng is so highly valued. Ginseng is thought to boost energy and sex drive while helping balance the body. And as interest in natural energy boosters and longevity increases, ginseng remains one of the most sought after medicinal plants in the world. If you can invest the time, ginseng will reward you with healing power that's worth far more than money can buy. Plant number 3 is Ashwagandha. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I call it the stress warrior. Ashwagandha works quietly but powerfully. For centuries, it's been used to calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and restore internal balance. And in today's chaotic world, ashwagandha is more important than ever. Instead of forcing change, it supports your body's natural ability to heal and regulate itself. The root contains compounds that support brain health, hormone balance, and immune strength. It improves sleep quality, enhances focus, and increases physical stamina, and supports reproductive health. This is a well-rounded medicinal plant that covers all the bases. The best part for it, though, it grows easily in warm climates with dry, well-drained soil and requires relatively low maintenance. As more people search for natural solutions to stress, anxiety, and burnout, this plant continues to rise as one of the most important medicinal plants that you can grow. Plant number 4 is turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric isn't just a cooking spice. It's one of the most researched and powerful healing plants ever used by humans. That bright orange root contains curcumin, a compound with serious anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research suggests turmeric may help with arthritis, digestive issues, respiratory infections, allergies, liver disease, and depression. Turmeric also supports joint health, improves digestion, protects your heart, and strengthens your immune system. But here's the big one. It reduces chronic inflammation, which is linked to almost every long-term health problem you can think of. It grows underground and loves warm, humid conditions with rich soil. You can use it fresh, dried into powder, or processed into extracts and supplements. Beyond internal health, turmeric has also been used externally to support wound healing and skin health. As scientific research continues to back up what ancient cultures always knew, turmeric has become a cornerstone of modern natural medicine. Believe it or not, growing turmeric in your garden gives you access to one of the most respected medicinal plants in the world. Before we continue, I do want to share something with you. If you're serious about natural healing, especially if you're over 40, I have created something specifically for you. I call it the Healing Blueprint for Over 40 Using Natural Remedies. This is a comprehensive guide, 160 pages, 36 chapters covering everything from anti-inflammatory protocols to hormone balance, high cholesterol, gut health, diabetes, high blood pressure, immune support, and so much more. This isn't just theory. These are practical, actionable remedies you can start using today to take back control of your health naturally. I'm going to drop the link to that guide in the description below. Trust me, if you're ready to stop relying on only synthetic solutions, prescribed medicine, and start healing with nature, this blueprint is your roadmap. Buy it now and thank me later. All right, let's keep going. I have so much more to give. Okay, now for plant number 5 is holy basil. The sacred protector holy basil, also known as tulsi, is more than just a medicinal plant. It's a symbol of protection and balance in traditional healing systems. It strengthens the immune system, supports respiratory health, and helps your body resist environmental stress. It has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it perfect for daily wellness and seasonal health challenges. But its power goes beyond the physical. It has a profound effect on mental and emotional health. It calms the mind, improves focus, reduces the impact of stress on your body. Traditionally consumed as tea or herbal infusions, holy basil plays a critical role in maintaining long-term health. The plant grows easily, it adapts to different climates, and can be harvested continuously. Because of its gentle yet powerful effects, it remains one of the most trusted medicinal plants for everyday use. Plant number 6 is aloe vera, the universal healer. It's one of those plants that is widely recognized in the world, and for good reason as well. The thick gel inside its leaves soothes cuts and skin irritation instantly. But aloe vera's power goes deeper than that. It is useful for relieving burns, and while it's debated whether it accelerates healing or not, the cooling sensation that it brings makes recovery more comfortable. Aloe vera also supports digestion, believe it or not, gut health, and hydration when used properly. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties make it especially valuable in hot climates. Here's the best part though. It is incredibly easy to grow. It requires very little water or attention. It thrives in dry or semi-arid environments and can be grown in gardens or containers. One of its greatest strengths, you can harvest it repeatedly without harming the plant itself. As demand for natural skincare, wellness products, and herbal remedies continues to explode, aloe vera remains one of the most practical and valuable medicinal plants you can grow. Plant number 7 is Artemisia. Artemisia. The hidden gem, it's rare, powerful, and quietly gaining the attention it deserves. For centuries, this plant has been used across different cultures to support immune health, improve digestion, and help the body fight infections. Artemisia contains unique compounds that have attracted growing interest from researchers and herbal practitioners worldwide. Traditionally, it has been used to reduce fever, support liver health, and promote overall balance within the body. The plant grows well in dry soil and requires minimal care once established. Because it's not widely cultivated, it remains relatively rare, which only adds to its importance. As global interest in traditional and plant-based medicine grows, this plant is slowly getting the recognition it's always deserved. Plant number 8 is ginger, the reliable root. That's what I call it. Ginger is one of the most reliable and effective medicinal roots known to humans. Ginger is widely recognized for its effectiveness in reducing nausea and vomiting, particularly during pregnancy and chemotherapy. Beyond that, it reduces inflammation, it improves circulation, it strengthens the immune system, and it helps your body fight infections naturally. It's commonly used to ease stomach discomfort. I use it for that. Colds and muscle pain. Ginger grows underground and prefers warm, moist soil. It can be harvested gradually, allowing continuous use without destroying the plant. While ginger is widely known, high-quality medicinal ginger is always in demand. Its consistent healing properties and ease of cultivation make it one of the most important medicinal plants to grow for both daily use and long-term value. Plant number 9 is Ginkgo biloba, the brain booster. It's known for its powerful effects on the brain and circulatory system. Ginkgo leaf extract is traditionally used for asthma, bronchitis, fatigue, tetanus, and it's been used to improve memory, mental clarity, and concentration. Ginkgo biloba also supports wound healing, skin regeneration, and overall circulation throughout the body. This plant thrives in moist environments and spreads easily when given the right conditions. It can be harvested frequently and used fresh or dried. As interest in brain health and cognitive support increases, Ginkgo biloba is becoming more valuable in herbal medicine. Its ability to support both mental and physical health makes it one of the most underrated medicinal plant you can grow. Now for plant number 10, and that's Neem. I call it the tree of life. It is one of the most powerful medicinal trees in the world. Almost every part of the tree offers healing benefits. The leaves, the bark, the seeds, and oil are used to support immune health, skincare, oral hygiene, and natural pest control. Yeah, I said that. Neem has strong antibacterial and antifungal and antiviral properties, making it extremely valuable in traditional medicine. Let me caution you though, if you're pregnant, check with your doctor before consuming this plant. And one more thing, do not take too much of it in a given week. Once established, neem trees are highly resilient and can live for decades with minimal care. They thrive in hot climates and poor soil, providing long-term medicinal benefits year after year. As people continue to seek natural and organic alternatives to chemical products, neem remains one of the most important medicinal plants you can grow for the future. These medicinal plants aren't just greenery in the soil. They're much more than that. They're living pharmacies, carrying knowledge passed down through generations. Our relationship with medicinal plants has deep roots. Regions with longer histories of human occupation tend to have more plants used for medicinal purposes. But as generations become highly technological inclined, many are abandoning nature and fully embracing prescribed medicine instead. Nothing is wrong with that, but don't abandon what worked for your ancestor when there was little technology back then. But there are some people like me that's slowly rediscovering the power of nature. Growing these plants today puts you one step ahead in health, wisdom, and opportunity. Whether you choose to grow just one or decide to cultivate several, you're invested in something that keeps giving back year after year, and it won't disappoint you. If you enjoy this video and learned something valuable, smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Nature's Healing Corner for more hidden plants and powerful natural knowledge you won't find anywhere else. Turn on that notification bell too, so you never miss another video that I put out. And don't forget to grab the Healing Blueprint for over 40 Using Natural Remedies, 160 pages, 36 chapters of natural healing wisdom. The link will be in the description below. Let me know in the comment section which of these medicinal plants are you already growing or taking as a supplement or powder or whatever, or which ones are you planning to start with. Let me know. I will respond. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and stay connected to nature. This is Nature's Healing Corner. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.